I heard you want to learn how to blur your video background just like this. So welcome to my Capcut editing class 101. And today we'll be talking on how to blur your video background on Capcut. So let's dive right into the video without wasting much time. Dealing with Capcut, if you do not have Capcut, please go download it. And you need data connection for you to access this feature. Please, you need data connection. So please, you need to turn on your data for you to access this feature. Click on new project. It will take you straight to your gallery. So you pick any video you want to work with. I choose to work with this one. The first thing we need to do is to duplicate this video. How to duplicate? You tap on it. Now scroll down. You see down your downside. Scroll till you see duplicate. You tap on your duplicate and the video becomes 2. You see it has become 2. Now the next thing you do is to tap on overlay. Go back and tap on overlay. The video comes down. So you now have 2 videos, which is the original and the duplicate. Now tap on the first one, which is the original, and go down. You will see effect. Tap on effect, tap on video effect, and move straight, like move them to the left, and you tap on lens. Immediately you tap on lens, you see all the options. You can either find blur or you search it there, blur. Immediately it brings out this adjust number and you have to adjust it to any number you want it to. You have to adjust to how blurry you want your video to be. So I chose 12 because it's not really blurry and at the same time it's not really sharp. So let's go with 12. And that is that for the original video. Like this is all we have to do for the original video. Tap on the duplicate video, which is the other video. Long press and slide to the left. When I mean long press, I mean tap and hold for a while, then slide it to the left. Then the next thing you do, go to this arrow back that says back, slide on the options down and tap on remove BG, which means remove background, and tap on remove. And you see it will start loading that it is removing the background and everything will start setting up. As you can see, it is setting up. And yes, once it's done, it will alert you that the background has been removed successfully. Once it tells you background removed, that means you have successfully blurred the background of your video and your video was a success. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and follow me on all other social media platforms. If you have any question for me, feel free to leave it in the comment section and I'll be glad to reply. Thank you very much. We'll see you in another video. Bye.